Do you need urgent money? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make up to $90 per test. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know, on this channel, I've always got you guys covered. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you guys, and I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. In today's video, you know it's going to be a blockbuster as usual. So stick around and watch this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, like I said, introduce yourselves. I want to meet you guys. While you're introducing yourselves, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is, while you guys introduce yourselves, of course, my name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and I'm based here in California. I drop 4 videos every week right here on this channel. So make it a date. I'm constantly looking for money making avenues just so I can share with you guys. You know, I don't know how to hold information. We are not gatekeeping on this channel. I am sharing valuable information, nothing but information that will help you become a better version of yourself. If this is something you're interested in, do not forget to join the family. Like this video and share this video with your friends, your family members, your enemies, and your village members as well. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Oh, to all my returning subscribers, I'm so sorry. I did not ignore you guys. So let me go ahead and acknowledge you guys. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch your girl. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see every single one of you. Like I said, I'm building a community here on this channel. It's not just about you guys coming to watch videos or take action or making money, but of course, I want to also build a community. I want to know you guys one by one by your name. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Make sure that you stick around till the end, and also do well to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. So come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, I'll be introducing you guys to a website where you can actually make money similar to other platforms. And guess what? The name of this website or app is called Userlytics. Yes, so just so you know, Userlytics wants to pay you to give constructive feedback to their partners' apps, sites, or products. But what actually sets them apart from similar sites offering the same service is that, well, I'm going to be looking over everything in this video. Okay, guys, let's look at everything Userlytics can do and how you can start making money from here. If you're ready to turn your insights into cash, oh yeah, stay tuned, because we're about to unveil the secrets of making money online with Userlytics, and I'll be walking you through the step one by one. So yes, come with me, let's go. So what exactly is Userlytics? Just so you know, Userlytics is a platform that pays you for testing websites, apps, and prototypes. Companies are actually eager to hear what you think about their products, and they are willing to pay you for your valuable feedback. Yes, so here is what to do step by step. So the next thing you need to do is to set up your profile. Yes, and because getting started is actually a breeze. Head over to Userlytics website, sign up and create a killer profile. Make sure that you fill out your demographic information accurately, because this will help you match. This will help them match you with relevant tests. So the next thing is to actually qualify for the test. So once your profile is set up, keep an eye on your email or the Userlytics dashboard for available tests, because some tests actually might have specific qualifications. So make sure that you pay attention and ensure that you meet the criteria, because the more tests you qualify for, the more opportunities you have to earn. Yes. So the next thing for you to do is to take a test. When you're ready to take a test, make sure that you follow the instructions carefully. You'll be given tasks to perform on a website or the app, and it is crucial to express your thoughts out loud as you navigate. Now, your honest feedback is what companies are paying for. They are looking for. Now, let's go over to the website. Come with me. Let's go. So guys, when you get to userlytics.com, click on Get Paid to Earn. It's on the top right corner of the page. So click on Start Earning. Then enter your email address and agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit. Then you will get an email and you'll be asked to verify your email address. Now, here to verify your email address, you can see that it's simple and easy and super straightforward. Now, the next segment is the exciting part: how to get paid. Yes, so let's talk about the payment and reward. I know you guys are excited like me. So Userlytics actually pays a competitive rate per test, and payments are typically made through PayPal. It is a quick and straightforward way to earn money online from the comfort of your home. Now, once you're done with the test, they credit you instantly. Yes, on your PayPal account. What can be better than that, guys? And there you have it, folks. This is your guide to making money online with Userlytics, and it is an enjoyable way to actually share your thoughts while padding your wallet. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more money making tips, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a chance to earn money online. Guys, happy testing and happy earning. Yes, so if you have not checked out my previous videos, make sure that you check out my previous videos. Head over to my channel and begin to apply for these amazing opportunities that I've shared with you guys right here on this channel. And just so you know, I share how to make money, and I also share grants information on my channel. And just in case you're wondering, what are grants? Grants are actually free money that you do not have to pay back. And these are monies that are sponsored by organizations or companies, corporate bodies or organizations, or even governments. Yes, they give grants all the time. So if you want me to put out more grants content on this channel, let me know in the comments. Do not forget to introduce yourselves as always. And just so you know, there are no stupid questions on this channel. Please make sure that you leave a comment. Ask your questions, and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you also need me to do a research to your specification, please leave it in the comments. I'm working for you guys. I'm working for you guys day and night. So go ahead and leave your questions in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to do all those researches for you guys. I've always got you guys covered. It's your girl Mariah. Yes, so yes, at this point I want to say big thank you to all my Patreon members. Thank you so much for your incredible love and support. I see you guys. Thank you for your likes. Thank you so much. If you want to be part of the inner caucus, you want to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. As a Patreon member, just so you know, when you join my Patreon membership, you can also book a free consultation with me. Yes, as long as you are a Patreon member of this channel, then you can go ahead and book a free consultation with me, whether you want to talk about grants, you want to ask questions, I want to clarify, or you want to apply for grants. You need further help in applying for grants, or asking general questions in general, or any questions relating to business and everything in between. Yes, I've always got you guys covered. So go ahead, hit the like button in case you have not. Like this video and share this video with your friends. Let us be a blessing to other people. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities. Guys, guess what? I'm gonna be sharing a grant video in my next video, so make sure that you turn on your notification bell for this channel so that you don't miss out. Oh, by the way, I've also created a type form. Yes, a type form where you have to just put in your details, like your email address, your name, and your location. Yes, just so that I can always email you guys whenever I have great information like this, valuable information that will help you become a better version of yourself. Yes, so on this note, I want to say big thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way till this point. Do not forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. But till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. Love you all. Bye, guys.